Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samaiyal. Today let's prepare Szechuan sauce which can be stored for 3 months. Just cut open the head of the dry red chili. Just deseed them and place it into a bowl. Similarly, I have taken a bowl of deseeded red chili. The seeds of chili can be used for chili flakes. Add water until it merges completely. Let it soak for 2 to 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Now just transfer it into a mixer and grind it into a fine paste. If dry red chilies are not soaked properly, it may not be grinded into a fine paste, so make sure that it is soaked well in water. Now it's perfectly done. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, two tablespoons of chopped ginger. Chop them finely. Fry them until it is slightly golden brown. Once it is done, add the grinded paste. Mix them up. Just add very little water. It's completely optional. Cook it well. Make sure that you don't add too much of water and make it too thin. Add salt to taste. Half tablespoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, two tablespoons of tomato sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let it come to a boil and cook it until it becomes thick enough. Make sure that it does not have any water in it. The water should completely evaporate. You can store it for a long time. Well, as we are not adding any preservative, let it cook until the water evaporates completely. You can use this Szechuan sauce instantly for making fried rice, Manchurian or chicken 65 recipe. Transfer it into a glass bowl and keep it in a refrigerator as we are not adding any preservative. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. For many more recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samaiyal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.